Before I went on my trip to Norway this summer, I decided to install a 12-volt outlet on my bike, since the BMW only comes with a 12mm outlet as standard. I had to install a 21mm outlet that are the most common standard for charger for GoPro batteries and phones and things like that. And since I already had experimented with wiring of my navigator, I had most of the wiring ready, so the only thing I had to do was to fit a holder for my 12-volt outlet and also do the last wiring of the between the outlet and the switch that I had mounted on the handlebar. This video isn't a how-to video, it's more of an inspiration video. So maybe you can get some idea of how you can install an outlet on your bike. I will try to do holder for a 12-volt outlet on my bike. I'm not sure how to do it, but yeah, I have to test it a little and see what's going to be okay. I will make a holder from a bit of plastic, and I will just fix it, tape it down with double adhesive tape, like the one you have on the GoPro mountings. I don't want to do anything with the original plastic, so I have to make sure that I don't cut into the I don't have to cut into the plastic, something like that. Maybe it's a little bigger, so I will see if that one will fit. That doesn't look that bad. Okay, let's start like this. And see. There you have the profile. Oh, this material was a little strange to cut through because the heat from the saw melted the plastic, and after I have cut through the plastic, the heat welded it back again. So that was a little strange cutting in this material. Okay, this will fit, but I think I will cut it down a little just to make sure that this cable doesn't get hooked in this plastic. It definitely starts to look like something. I will take a little more in this corner, not much, but I will take a little, and then I think I'm ready with it. It will not interfere with anything, and it looks okay, I think. And now I just have to do the cable wiring, and then it's ready. And I have a 12-volt outlet on my bike, and I don't think it looks that shabby, actually. I think it looks pretty okay. And there you have it. A 12 volt outlet and a switch on the handlebar, and it's connected directly to the battery, but I have a fuse in line, of course. That was all for this time. I hope that you liked the video, and I also hope that you stay on my channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video. Bye.